So in this video, we're going to take a look at the exercise called the quick hip twists. This is great for learning isolation of your body, because this one, you need to isolate your lower body separated from your upper body. So you're going to start off this exercise by doing inside edges, inside edges, inside edges. Now when you're ready to step on that inside edge, your body's going to be facing outside. So you're on that right inside edge, but your body will be facing over the right side, ready to perform this quick hip twist. Because what comes next is you're going to jump off the floor, but your hip will turn out and turn back in. In the time that it takes you to jump up, come back down, your hip will have turned out 90 degrees facing to the side, if not more, and then come back down completely straight. So by the time you hit the floor, it's straight back on that inside edge. So again, inside edge, inside edge, inside edge. Set up, jump, hip twist. So you see how it's quite nice and light when I come back down as well. It goes toe pick edge when I land. So make sure you feel nice and light when you take off and you're not slamming that foot down. You don't want to hear too much noise when you hit that foot on the ground. So then you can continue the exercise by doing it on the other foot. So you'll be landed on the right foot, and then you do left, right, left. Set, hip twist. Right, left, right, hip twist. Left, right, left, hip twist. Making sure that your free leg, when you perform the jump and the hip twist, is staying close to your other foot. So when I'm doing my hip twist, my free leg's not over there somewhere. You need everything, again, isolating your lower body and your upper body separately, not the two sides of your lower body separately. So when you do the quick hip twist, left, right, that foot tucks and stays tucked for the quick hip twist. It's going to be much easier for you to control for the actual movement of the hip twist when you keep both of your legs together in the air. So make sure that when you step onto it, you need to get that 90 degrees out and in. So you really see that there was a complete turn out of my hip there. Same thing on the left side. Turn out and turn back in. You've got to make sure that hip completely turns out. If you're only getting to about 45 degrees here, it's not enough. So this isn't going to happen. You need out and back in. Remember, controlling that lower body, turning those hips out, but checking the upper body as well. Good thing to remember as well is it's pretty obvious, but just some people do forget about it. If you're struggling to get height, or if you're struggling with the balance on this when you land, you're feeling a little bit wobbly, make sure you're always using those knees. So each time you're doing that, even that inside edge, bend, get down into those knees. Bend for the jump, bend, rise, bend when you land. Left bend, right bend, bend to set, bend when you land there. Always making sure you bend those knees. That's going to be your shock absorbers. It's going to stop you wobbling so much when you hit the ground.